Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to add Esewa to your WooCommerce store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and log into your account if you're not already. And after doing so successfully, right here at the left side screen, you can find all the sections you can open up, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how you can get started implementing Esewa. So you have your WooCommerce option right here. This is going to enable you to start up your new store if you've not already. If you have already created your store, you'll be able to manage it from the WooCommerce section right here in your dashboard. All your products, shipping info, and so on is manageable from here. But what we are looking for today, guys, is the plugins section right here. You want to open up plugins. So by opening a plugin successfully, it's going to open up this plugins marketplace where you can find all the plugins you can use for your store. And what we can use is search bar right here and search for Esewa. So by searching for Esewa, guys, it's going to give us this results right here where we can take a look at all the Esewa options and plugins that are going to enable us to import it into our WooCommerce store. So you can choose whichever you prefer. As you can see, you have Nepal's first payment gateway plugin right here, and you can choose whichever you want. So after opening it up, you can install it from this page right here. By clicking the install button, it's going to enable it and add it directly to your WooCommerce store, and people will be able to use to pay using this payment gateway in your store, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.